Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what is function in Python. So, a function is a block of reusable code that performs an action. Let's say there is a user named Rajesh and he wanted to add two numbers like 23, 45. So, he wrote some block of code to add these two numbers. And next user, his name is Mahesh and he wanted to add two numbers like 54 and 63. Okay, he also wrote some function, wrote some block of code to add these two numbers. Okay, so if you see here, that block of code, that is the same, only the user is different and the inputs are different. So what we will do means this block of add code, add two numbers code, that code alone we will put it in a function so that it can be reused for different inputs by different users. Okay, so this a function is nothing but a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Okay, so the function can be created like def and space the function name, and inside open and close bracket we will pass all the parameters to that function. Okay, and then one colon. The next line, after a space, like one space, one indentation is required. So after a space we will start our code. I mean whatever your function gonna does, the same, the part of code we have to write it. And if you wanted to return anything, you have to use return function, return. Okay, return any value. If you want to return, you can return that value. Okay, and you can call that function using that name of the function. Okay, so in our case I'm gonna write add two numbers, num1 comma num2. Okay, here after an indentation, total equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, I'm gonna return total. Okay, so here add two numbers is my function name, and num1 and num2 or number 1 or number 2. Okay, these two variables are the function parameters, and we will, this part of code, this part of is the actual part of the code written inside that function, and then we will returning the total variable, okay, to this function. So here we will call the function using that function name, and if you have any input parameter, for our case 23 comma 54. So, and if the next user comes means he can pass his inputs like 54 comma 63. So this part of code is always reusable for different inputs. Okay, so this whole thing is said to be the function definition, and this is called the function call. Like we will be calling this function using that function name and the input parameters if any. Okay, so this is function call and this is called function definition, and num1 and num2 are the function parameters. Okay, so now I'm gonna write a piece of code to print the even numbers between the range. Okay, for example, my start number is 1 and my end number is 10. Okay, sorry, 10. So I'm gonna print the even numbers between these two range. Okay, so for I in range start number comma end number, if I modulo operator 2 equal to 0 means, then I'm gonna create new list, even numbers list. So even numbers dot append of I. Okay, and out of for loop I'm gonna print that list. Okay, so here I have written a piece of code to print the even numbers between the range 1 comma 10. So what I've done is I've iterated between the range like from 1 till 10. And for each value we are checking that value is divisible by 2. Like if you're dividing that data by 2, if the remainder is equal to 0 means I have created the new list like even numbers, and then that number alone I'm adding that to list, and out of for loop I'm printing that list. Okay, let's run this. So all the even numbers between the range 1, 10 is printed. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to convert this piece of code, this block of code, to a function so that it can be accessible for different inputs for different users. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just commenting out these lines. I'm gonna write def print even numbers. Okay, my function name is print even numbers. Inside that I'm gonna pass two parameters, start num comma end num. Okay, then colon. See, after giving the enter, my cursor got placed after an indentation. Okay, you can see that here. So that is a real syntax. So here I am creating an empty list and I'm checking inside the list. I am writing this piece of code. Okay, after here, once that for loop completes, I'm gonna return that list. So return even numbers. Okay, and outside that function I'm gonna call this function print even numbers for our input is 1, 10. Okay, so I commented out the previous block of code and cleared the console as well. Okay, let's run this. Okay, I have to print it. Okay, so since I wanted to print this data, I'm inside the print function. I call this particular print even numbers function. Okay, with the inputs 1, 10. So the same output 2468 is achieved. If suppose the next user wanted to print the even numbers between the different range, means we can use the same function and pass the different inputs like 2, 20. Okay, if you wanted to have for large numbers also. So likewise this part of code is reusable for different inputs. Okay, 20, 200. So all the even numbers between 20, 200 is printed. So this is how we have to write the function in Python. So this part is called function definition, and here the start num, end num, we say those function parameters, and this is called function call, as we are calling that function using that function name with the parameters, input parameters, and it is called as function call. Okay, that's all about today's videos, guys. We shall see further in next video. Thank you. Bye.